What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you're having a great day. Hope things are going well for you. Welcome back to another episode of the Can I series, where we're answering some of the most popular questions that DIYers have around can I? Can I apply pre-emergent and grass seed at the same time? Can I seed in the spring? And in today's video, we're going to answer the question, can I mix fertilizers together? So if you missed those other two videos, make sure you go check them out. Let's get into the video. All right, let's get into the video. So there are basically two types of fertilizers when it comes to lawn care. Number one is liquids, and number two are granulars. Let's talk about granulars for just a second. So granular fertilizers are little prills. Those are what those little beads are called inside your bag. They're called prills. And those prills contain a whole lot of different ingredients depending on the fertilizer that you buy. So every bag will have three numbers on it, an N, P, and K, so nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It can also contain a lot of other ingredients as well. It could be, maybe it contains some soil conditioners, or maybe it contains a weed control, or maybe it contains a pre-emergent. But nonetheless, they're all blended to a certain formula, to a certain size of that prill. And that prill is designed to be put inside a hopper, put in a broadcast spreader, and then evenly broadcast or spread across your lawn. And then as time goes on, whether it's water or air, but those little prills will break down and dissolve and be absorbed into your soil over a given period of time. And those prills are the reason why you do not want to combine or mix granular fertilizers together. And because those prills are different sizes and they come out at different rates, if a smaller prill were to come out faster over a given area, that could really potentially lead to damage to your lawn, because if those higher concentrations of salts and nitrogen could potentially burn your lawn. So I do not recommend ever mixing granular fertilizers together. So that is granular fertilizers. Let's talk about liquids for a second. Just like granulars, liquids also have a rating of an N, P, and K, but they are a concentrated liquid, and they're designed to be dissolved with water and spread evenly across your lawn. But the water is known as the carrier. It is what dilutes the concentration of those micronutrients so that they don't burn your lawn. Now, liquids, on the other hand, are designed to be mixed together. But there's one tip that I'm going to give you that is going to save you a huge headache down the road. Phosphoric or sulfatic fertilizers should never be mixed with a fertilizer that contains magnesium or calcium. And the main reason is, and if you go back to that 6th grade science class, there are certain elements that do not play well together, and those are one of them. So here's the biggest tip that I can give you. If you're concerned about mixing fertilizers together, do what is called a jar test. Get yourself a container, and in the same ratio that you would add the different fertilizers together, in the same order that you would mix them within your big backpack sprayer, mix them up, add your carrier just as you would inside your 4-gallon backpack sprayer, but inside that jar. And when you mix it up, that will tell you if the fertilizers are what we call compatible. If they're not compatible, you'll see a lot of clumping and they won't actually mix together. So it's really important to make sure you do that ahead of time, because you don't want to mix those fertilizers up only to find out that they aren't compatible. And now you've got 4 gallons of liquid, clumpy junk that you can't use, and you've wasted all your money and fertilizer. So do a jar test and make sure that all of your fertilizers are compatible. So combining liquid fertilizers is an awesome way to create what I call custom blends. Let's say it's summertime and you want to add a little bit of potassium to your lawn without pushing a bunch of growth. You can custom mix different fertilizers together, say a low nitrogen fertilizer with a high potassium fertilizer, to be able to get that good mix that you're looking for, that custom blend that you're looking for, specifically tailored to your lawn. And without a doubt, one of my favorite fertilizers to do this with is the GCI Turf line of fertilizers. The 505, the 0020, the 2000, they can all be combined and mixed together to create a custom blend of fertilizers that will do an amazing job at getting you the results that you're looking for. I hope that answers the question, can I mix fertilizers together? Hope you guys are enjoying the Can I series, and until next week when we answer another question, can I? My name is Devin, I'm the DIY Lawn Coach, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.